I had every reason to not take care of myself. A busy schedule, tired from work, always traveling, just got married, the biggest one, and the list goes on. And then I realized that my body wasn't just craving self-care, it was craving routine. I work a full-time job and I'm navigating this new chapter in my life. And so I had all these excuses in my head. And then I realized excuses never stop. So I told myself, hey, there are so many super successful people that are doing it all. And I told myself, I need to fix it. So I figured out how to work around my situation, and let me share with you how. So for me, I get to work from home and I'm so grateful for it. I, however, haven't set up my office yet, so I work on my lovely dining table and I love it so much, but my kitchen is literally 10 steps away from me. And because I'm home all day, I never felt the need to plan my meals. That's fine, but then sometimes it'll be 2 p.m. and I realize I haven't eaten since breakfast, so I'll skip lunch. And that day, I'll just have my breakfast and an early dinner. So that really wasn't healthy for me. And I'm sure a lot of people can relate to this, but sitting all day on my butt, oh my gosh, I felt like my butt was getting flatter. Yeah, that's not okay. So those were some of my challenges. So let me share some habits I built around my situation. First, it's a really simple, easy, small habit, but it makes the biggest difference and anyone can do it. As soon as I wake up, I do the usual skincare, brush my teeth, and then I start my day with a glass of warm salt water. Before my matcha, before my breakfast, before my first meeting. This will wake up my digestion system, hydrate my whole body, and it just makes me feel good because I already did something for myself first thing in the morning. Trust me, if you're consistent with this, you will notice how good your body feels. If I don't do this, I just feel kind of like stuck, you know? Second thing is I don't eat out during the weekdays. And not only do I eat at home, but I stopped trying to think of elaborate menu items and I keep it simple. I have a formula for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast will be some kind of probiotics and fruits. Lunch, simple leftovers, easy recipe. For dinner, protein, carbs, healthy fats, and some sort of like fiber or vitamins from my vegetables. So actually, let me show you what I realistically eat on a weekday right now. And number 3 is is I move my body. I found what works for me, and that for me is a mix of gym and Pilates. For me, I am consistent with the gym because I know my gym has these compression boots. After a workout, I will always treat myself to a 30-minute compression massage at the end of the workout. So I always look forward to going because of that. And another treat I have for myself is a protein smoothie. I love this smoothie. It's like a nourishing dessert to me. So good. I put frozen bananas, milk and water, flax seeds, and Ballerina Farm chocolate protein. It's the best. It tastes so good. Sometimes I'll drink it even when I don't work out because it's so delicious. And then Pilates, so I have a reformer and Cadillac at home, so I really don't have an excuse to not do it. And occasionally I will sign up for classes so that a professional can tell me what to do. And lastly, it's really a mindset shift, but it was telling myself that all of these habits that make up my routine is non-negotiable, and it doesn't matter how I feel. I tell myself that I've never once regretted doing all of this. I've only regretted skipping, so I tell myself, it doesn't matter if I don't have time, it doesn't matter if I'm not feeling like it. It's just a non-negotiable for me. After that mindset shift of telling myself that no more negotiating with myself, I just do it, I just go, I just move, and yeah. And I remember that I feel good every single time. But real talk, it's a lot harder. You know, some weeks I will skip a gym day. I will eat a bowl of cereal and enjoy every single drop of milk. I'm not going for perfection, I'm just going for consistency. So if you are also craving the same thing that my body was craving, that self-care routine, then subscribe, comment, and follow along. I will continue documenting what works, what doesn't, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!